Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, sometimes when you receive your IELTS result, you get disappointed because the result is not agreeable. Same thing happened with one of my African students. He appeared in IELTS, and after appearing in IELTS, when he got the result, listening 7.5. Reading 7 band actually, okay, yeah, and his writing band 6 and speaking band 6. Now, he was not quite satisfied with his writing and speaking bench score. And by the way, I've made this message. There are 13 points to consider before you apply for EOR. So this student had watched my video and he was aware of EOR. He decided to apply EOR on all 4 modules. Let me tell you, there is fee for inquiry on results. I mean, you're not satisfied with the result and you want to inquire into your results. For that, you have to pay the fee, and the fee is same whether you apply EOR on single module or all 4 modules. So he applied EOR on all 4 modules, and in 3 modules, his band score remained unchanged, but his speaking band changed from 6 to 7. 1 band difference, guys. One examiner in Africa rated his speaking at the level 6, and then he applied inquiry that I'm not happy. My English is far better than band score 6, and the other senior Cambridge examiner gave him 7 band, and this also increased his overall band score. So sometimes EOR can increase your band score. You don't have to appear in IELTS exam second time. EOR can help you, but by the way, if your EOR is successful means your band score changes, you get your money back. If your EOR is unsuccessful, no change in band score, then your money is gone for good. Okay, so be careful with that. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you want to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.